Hey guys, in this video we are going to do some another changes. Okay, so here first I wanted to look at this particular banner where we are having very dull banner. Okay, and I really don't like it because this background is not very well, but it is not looking that much attractive, and we already using linear gradient. So basically I wanted to change the banner style first. So let's hop up over here, and here you can see that we are having hero banner background image over here. Okay, so basically what I wanted to do first, I will gonna change the color. Okay, so you can click over here, and here you can drag your things. Okay, so whatever the color you wanted to change, you may have wanted to have bluish background, bluish color, or green, and whatever you want, you may. So after changing the red, after turning it to red, here you can see that this is looking very beautiful, but as I want to have it on the top of the top of the banner. So basically what I wanted to do, I'll gonna go over here and I'll gonna type bottom. Okay, BOTTOM, and after writing this, here you can see that this light is coming from the top. Okay, and it is looking good now. Okay, and the next problem which we are having in our website is mobile friendly problem. So basically once we collapse our our thing, here you can see this heading is going down, and it is not looking good, and these things are very looking very dirty. So what we need to do, we have to fix it, and the way we're gonna fix it is by using you can say like a media query. Okay, so let's come up over here and create our media query first. So first I wanted to do, I will gonna type comment media query. Okay, so in order to add your media query, you can easily add your media query, and you can modify your website and make it mobile friendly first. So maximum width, I wanted to have maximum width. So where when I wanted to reflect is basically at 726 pixel. When we collapse it, and it will turn into 726 pixel. Basically you are not understanding what I'm trying to say. Basically I will show you. Once you go and inspect it, here you can see this is a 1084. Okay, and when you start collapsing it, this is like around at this point. Okay, 726. At this point this will gonna change the typography. Okay, so 726 pixel it will gonna change everything. Okay, so let's come up over here, and first what we need to change. So basically here you can see that we are having heading. Okay, so we need to change our heading first. Okay, so in order to change your heading, let's target the navigation first. Okay, so I have to change the logo first, then I have to change the navigation, and then I have to change the header. So here's the hero banner. You have to copy this particular thing and come up over here. Okay, so hero banner, there's a navigation bar. Okay, I wanted to change the navigation bar logo first. Okay, so logo font size, I wanted to change its font size around like 1.3 rem. Okay, 1.3 rem. So it will gonna change its typography, like once we put it, it will gonna change. So here you can see it is not changed yet. Let me see what happened. So basically hero banner, and then we have this navigation, then we have this navigation class over here. Okay, logo class. So let me see. Okay, logo, and then let's change the font size, navigation, and hero banner. Okay, so maximum height, maximum width 726 pixel. Okay, that's great. So after that, what I wanted to change, what we need to change, basically inside this navigation we have logo. Okay, and after that inside this hero text we are having h1 and a paragraph tag. So we have to change that too. Okay, so just come up over here and target this h1 first. Okay, so let's say font size. Okay, font size I wanted to have like around 2 rem. Okay, 2 rem is enough. So it will gonna change the font size, and here you can see that our font size is looking very different. And before doing anything, let me remove this particular navigation bar right here, because we will gonna change it later. Okay, so logo, and after that, after the logo, I wanted to change the li. Okay, so I don't want it now to, I want to say that display none. Okay, so it will not gonna reflect, okay, right now. So here you can see that this is looking very beautiful, and I can also increase the size if you want, like 2.2 RAM. 2.2 RAM is enough, and yeah, that's it. So 2.2 RAM is enough. And for the paragraph, what I wanted to change, I also wanted to change the font size. Okay, so let me add around 1.5 RAM. Okay, 1.5 RAM is enough. So yeah, now it is looking good. Okay, and the third thing that I wanted to change is the btn. Okay, so I wanted to decrease the size of btn, so let's copy it, and btn font size, I will only gonna change the font size of btn. Okay, so it will gonna like around 1 rem, and this will gonna change the button, yeah. So basically I can also reduce it, so let's say 0.8 rem. Okay, 0.8 rem is enough. Okay, now you can see we are having this beautiful button and our logo, but basically our logo is not yet changed. So let me see why it is. Okay, it is a font style, not font. So basically we have to change this font size, not font style. So now you can see that our logo is looking like this. Okay, so our logo is looking beautiful. Let me change, it's like a 1.8 is enough. Okay, yeah, 1.8 is enough, and yeah, it is looking beautiful now. Okay, and after that, what we wanted to change now. So basically here you can see this is the thing that we need to change. So in order to change it, you have to do some changes. So here you can see, when we are building anything, we are having row. Okay, here we are having this row. Okay, inside the services, here inside the about section we are having this row. So the only thing we need to change is our row. Okay, so this is the banner. Okay, and outside the banner we are going to change our row. Okay, so row. Okay, so at the first time we use display flex and justify content, justify content space between, or whatever you can say. Okay, but right now what we are going to do, I am going to use flex justify content, not display flex. Okay, and here you can see I can also use display, not display flex, display flex, and then display flex. First I wanted to use display flex and flex direction. Yeah, sorry, I forgot about it. Flex direction must be column, not row. Okay, so basically it is, right now it is normally row, but once you put column it will gonna change. So basically here you will gonna see that right now we are having all of these things totally aligned, and this is looking beautiful, like everything is totally aligned and mobile friendly. So here you can see that when we when we do this, this will gonna this will come like this, but when we change it, this will gonna come like this. Okay, when we do this, this will gonna yeah. So it is not yet, but when we do this, when we collapse it, we can do it. So here you can this is how you can easily add the media query. Okay, and you can add the media query at any endpoint, like 726 at a 900 pixel, at whatever the whatever the configuration you want in your website, you can easily do that. So this is the way that you can easily turn it to the mobile friendly version. Okay, so hopefully you like it, and in the next tutorial what we are going to do, basically we are going to build or meet our team section. Okay, so thanks for watching guys, and let's hop up to our next tutorial.